Today we'll be stenciling this bare wall. I've already painted the wall a nice clean white shade to get started. I'm using some leftover paint from a previous project because you don't actually need a whole lot of paint for this project. When loading your brush, make sure to have a towel nearby so that you can roll off excess paint. You need minimal paint on your brush to fill in your stencil. When rolling on your paint, you can be pretty light-handed. These are our registration marks. Make sure that these line up with your next stencil to assure a straight design. Continue with the same process until your wall is complete. And there you have it. This pattern can really transform a room into something so more unique than what it was before.